Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to determine whether f is even, odd, or neither. Our function f of x is equal to x squared over x to the fourth plus 1. So if x is even, that means that f of x is equal to f of negative x. And if f is odd, that means that f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. So let's find f of negative x and we'll compare it to f of x. So f of negative x, we just have to plug in negative x wherever we see x. So we have negative x squared up top over negative x to the fourth plus 1. Negative x squared is just positive x squared over negative x to the fourth is just positive x to the fourth plus 1. And x squared over x to the fourth plus 1 is just equal to f of x. Therefore, f of negative x is equal to f of x. And as we said before, if f of negative x is equal to f of x, as we said here, f of x is even. Therefore, by finding f of negative x, we can find that f of x, our function, is even.